everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Stories Academy. I'm Leo, your English teacher. Usually, we read a fun story together here, but today there isn't a story. I have got something different for you. Today's a very important day for your speaking skills. We have got 100 simple English sentences that you use every day in your real life, from the moment you wake up in the morning to the afternoon and until you go to sleep in the evening. These sentences will improve your English speaking very quickly. Why? Because you'll hear natural conversation patterns. You must listen carefully, and then you must repeat after me. Practice speaking out loud. Please don't just listen quietly. Now, I know 100 sentences sounds like a lot. Don't worry. You don't have to watch this whole video in one day. I advise you to divide this video into 2, 3, or even 4 days. Take your time. Don't rush. I'll read each sentence slowly, with a clear voice. I'll pause for a few seconds after each sentence. When I pause, you must repeat the sentence. Use expressive language. Don't sound robotic. Relax your shoulders, feel the emotion of the words, and speak clearly. Are you ready? I am not going to make you wait any longer. Let's start with our morning sentences. I'm feeling very sleepy this morning. It's time to get out of bed now. I don't want to wake up yet. First, I turn off my loud alarm. I make my bed right after getting up. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. I can't find my favorite blue towel. I brush my hair in front of the mirror. It's time to take a quick, warm shower. I usually get dressed at 8 o'clock. I don't know what to wear today. I'm putting on my comfortable shoes. Let's go to the kitchen for breakfast. I amped full. I'm very hungry this morning. I always make a hot cup of coffee. I don't like sugar in my tea. We're having eggs and toast for breakfast. This coffee isn't very hot today. I can't leave the house without eating. I feed my cat at 8:30. I pack my bag for the day. I don't want to forget my keys. I check the weather on my phone. It's raining, so I need an umbrella. I'm leaving the house at 9 o'clock. I lock the front door behind me. I walk to the bus stop every day. The bus isn't late this morning. I scan my card when I get on the bus. I'm listening to music on my way to work. I say good morning to my coworkers. I turn on my computer at my desk. Now I'm ready to start my work. It's noon, and I'm feeling a bit tired. I have got a lot of work to do today. I don't have time for a long break. Let's check my emails right now. I'm typing a message to my boss. We have got a team meeting at 1 o'clock. I can't hear you clearly on this call. That's a really great idea. I'm hungry, so it's time for lunch. I brought a healthy salad from home. I don't eat heavy meals in the afternoon. I'm drinking plenty of water today. I take a short walk outside after eating. It's very sunny and beautiful right now. It isn't very cold out here today. I return to my desk at 2 o'clock. I'm finishing my final report now. I can't find the document on my computer. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. I'm making a quick phone call to a friend. We're planning to meet later this week. I look at the clock on the wall. It's almost time to go home. I clean my desk before I leave. I turn off my computer screen. I don't leave any trash behind. I say goodbye to everyone in the office. I'm walking back to the bus stop. It's a very busy afternoon for traffic. I won't be home early today. I'm looking out the window on the bus. I'm happy that the workday's over. I finally arrive back at my house. I unlock the door and walk inside. I take off my shoes in the hallway. I change into some comfortable clothes. I'm washing my hands in the bathroom. It's time to relax for a little while. I turn on the television in the living room. There isn't anything good to watch right now. I don't want to watch the news tonight. Let's cook a delicious dinner together. I'm chopping some fresh vegetables. I boil water for the pasta. The food smells really amazing. We aren't eating dinner at the table tonight. I'm eating dinner on the comfortable sofa. I can't finish all of this food. I put the leftovers in the fridge. I don't like washing the dirty dishes. I clean the kitchen counters with a cloth. Now I have got some free time for myself. I'm reading a very interesting book. I don't read English books every day, but I try. I call my family on the phone. We talk about our day for a few minutes. It's getting late and I'm feeling sleepy again. I close the curtains in my bedroom. I turn off the main lights in the house. I brush my teeth one more time. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I won't forget to charge my phone. I lay down comfortably in my soft bed. I think about all the good things today. I don't have any worries tonight. Good night and sleep well. You did it! 100 English sentences. I'm incredibly proud of you for practicing today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep repeating these phrases until they feel completely natural. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Slow English Stories Academy for more easy English lessons. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.